Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. I'm back on another cabin filter. This is on the 2021 Kia Forte. And basically what we need to do is we need to get into this glove compartment, just like the other ones, and pull the cabin filter out and replace it with a new one. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so go ahead and open up the glove compartment. And if you have an alien face hugger in your glove compartment, you want to make sure that you get rid of that first before you get started. And then on either side of the glove compartment, there's going to be two knobs. You're going to need to just turn those ever so slightly, just like that, and it should pop out, and you should end up with that there in your hand. Remove both of those, okay? And then what you're going to have after that is on the side here, there's going to be a small bracket that you're going to need to remove. Go ahead and just grab a hold of that, and that should just pop right off, just like that, and it'll allow the glove compartment to fall down. Once you've done that, there's going to be two clips on either side. Just push on that one, do the same thing on this one, and that should just pop right out. Then just reach in, grab a hold of the filter, it should slide right out, just like that. And there it is. I mean, that's only 3,000 miles, and it's ready to be changed already. I mean, that's a lot dirtier than I thought it would be. You can kind of really get a good shot right there of the dirt. So I'm just going to kind of blow this off with a compressor and to go ahead and order a new one. Once I get the new one, we're going to slide it right back in just the way we took it out. Got it all blown out as best I could. I'm kind of glad I did this. I was kind of doing this on a request from someone who wanted to know how to do this on their Kia Forte, and I'm kind of glad I did now because this is a lot dirtier than I thought. So I'm going to go ahead and actually order this. So what you're going to need to do now is just slide it right back in just the way we took it out. Now as you put that filter back in, pay attention to the arrow on the face. It will show you the airflow pointing down. Just slide it in like that, and then go ahead and take the cover and snap it right back in. Go ahead and bring the glove compartment back up and take that bracket, and that should snap right back on like that. Go ahead and put the plugs on either side to lock it in. Well, okay, well there you have it. Not a whole lot to it. In fact, this is one of the easier ones that I have done. Just basically dropping the glove compartment and it is right there. So I'm kind of thanking the person who requested for me to do this because I really did not expect mine to be that dirty. So I'll put a link down below where I'm going to be purchasing a new one for a replacement. And I hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned for the next one.